Uy mga besh, I'm coming back for Game 5. Bakit kamo? Kasi without me, this sorry-ass team has a negative 69% chance of surviving. Like talagang nasa ICU na with no pulse, no hope, no hustle. Imagine mo yon, kailangan ko pa isugal kalusugan ko para iligtas tong tropang pabigat. Ako na nga yung injured, ako pa yung gumigising sa kanila. Parang group project sa college, ako lang may ambag, sila lang may absences. Saan ba ako magsisimula? Ang dami kasing basura dito sa team. Parang hindi ko na alam sino unang susunugin. Ay, iko-call out. Kaya sige, unahin natin tong si Jimmy Bum Emler. Yes, si Playoff Jimmy na naging Playoff Chimmy. Cheap at walang lasa. Grabe pre, this dude pulled a full-on Ben Simmons cosplay tonight. Hindi lang siya cold, he was frozen solid, parang si Elsa pero walang powers. Parang naubusan ng Gatorade at Pride sa parehong oras. Legit, mas aggressive pa yung hangin kesa sa kanya. Ako nga hindi naglaro pero mas may impact pa presence ko kesa sa kanya. And you know you're cooked to crispy perfection kapag yung kabayo kong si Draymondo Green na parang sinaniban ng kalabaw ng Nueva Ecija has the same number of points as you. Like bro, ikaw ba yung star player or star witness sa disappearance ng offense natin? And speaking of robbery, let's talk about that contract. Si Jimmy, 120 million daw ang nakuha. Pweh, dapat binigyan siya ng 120 na palo gamit Spanx by Diddy. Hindi lang scam yon, it's a full-blown spiritual crime against basketball. Next, eto yung favorite ko, Jack Harlow from Temu. Yes, si Brandon Skazimski na parang clone ni Jack Harlow na galing Divisoria, straight out to Lazada Live. Bro, 3 for 14 na shooting, 3 for 14. Alam mo ba anong meron sa ika-14 ng Marso? Araw ng kapanganakan ko, so parang tribute pala to sa akin. Birthday dedication through bricks. Salamat bro, touch ako. Pakisama mo na rin ng pabango kasi yung performance mo amoy talong na nababad sa suka ng 2 araw. Legit, this man shot like he had one eye closed and the other one watching TikTok. Bakit ka pa naglaro kung ang goal mo pala ay maging warning label sa "Don't try this at home"? Then you know what? Bilang pasasalamat, bibigyan ko siya ng konting damo ni Draymondo kasi apparently only someone high would think that performance was okay. Pero wait lang, si Draymondo mismo walang damo tonight. Walang panalo, walang points, walang grass. Gutom na yung kabayo ko, baka magra-rage quit na rin. Lalo na kung ito na naman yung team na kailangang i-carry. Kawawang kabayo pre, ginawa na lang hayop ng sistema. Dati may glory, ngayon may gout. Anyway, I'm suiting up for Game 5, not because I want to, but because I have to. Because if I leave this team, maybe next time, our opponent won't be another team, but the scoreboard itself. So to all my fans and haters, hi mga salbahe, Game 5 will be a spiritual experience. Either Resurrection 2 or Libing, walang gitna. So ready na kayo? Ako rin hindi, pero sige laban na for the content, for the memes, for the culture.